Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. I'm recording at the North Bund Garden in Shanghai, China. I'm staying at Hyatt on the Bund, and this is that area. Lots of flowers, yellows, reds on the bottom, and a cool structure here. Looks like some blues and oranges forming a ramp going up. We'll see that, and a lot of flowers on the bottom in this section. Some glass going down into what appears to be a driving or parking area, so nothing really special down below. It looks like a walkway just ahead that also gets to that parking area. People walking, exercising in this section. You can see some pagoda-like structure right ahead with what appears to be jade on the top, some of that traditional Chinese architecture. See balloons in the back with hearts on them, and we'll walk up this section, the Hangzhou Riverside International Cruise Terminal, and this ramp going up, if we could get there, but it may be blocked off. We'll find out together. Step going up, and here is that section. But first, we could see some sort of bridge or wall on the bottom, maybe the Great Wall of China, something similar to it. You can see three structures on the bottom and what would be like a walkway around it. More flowers, pinks and purples, some tree stumps, and it's a no drone zone. Well, Insta360 camera still should be good. And here's that ramp going up, but temporarily closed. Facility maintenance, temporarily closed. Please understand. We understand. See buildings in the back and the flowers on the bottom. This one NCI, and another with a red, blue, and white symbol. Not quite Pepsi, but we have seen that before. Colorful display, as it's creating an effect of changing colors. Some art that they've just put the colors on the rails, make it look like it's changing as it goes up. We're recording here in mid-April 2026. Nice weather, about 70 degrees Fahrenheit in this riverfront section. Vending machine with various drinks. You can see the local prices, $4.50, $6.50. Lots of oranges and reds on the bottom. Some pink flowers up above. Lots of flowers in this gardens area, as one may expect. And some boats coming by. It says International Cruise Terminal, but there are actually two cruise terminals. I'll be cruising with Royal Caribbean on Spectrum of the Seas, but that's about 30 minutes away compared to the cruise terminal that's walking distance. Have a building here, looks like an egg, Nyodan, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. And you could see these balls at the bottom with some things inside of them. Not sure what's going on there. More flowers. That one's a deeper pink or purple on the bottom. Looks like a red bush, some red leaves, and a lot more people walking through. See some more of the glass structures. This one triangular or a pyramid type shape. More purples on the bottom. It looks like a tour group ahead playing some sort of audio, and you could see this structure, this ramp going up above. Closer to this one's different. It's white and pink flower and more of the walkway. See a ship going by, appears to be a cargo ship, and more on this Hangzhou Riverside, Magic Jungle, the Gate to Music, Lin Zhang Zhen, all within walking distance here. Some more what appears to be restaurants. It says Coffee Camp Restaurant in quotation marks. A camping trip without having to go far. Enjoy a moment of freedom on the edge of the city. Pork chops, other things for sale. See the traditional Chinese characters on what appear to be scrolls in the back, and some googly eyes. Some shelter from the rain at the restaurant, but so far clear, even though it rained a lot earlier. See a structure going up, a lot of stairs in this section. I assume this would be busier at night or maybe the weekends, but so far I don't see these restaurants open. Space to sit, but very wet from the rain earlier. Some characters on the side here and an animated trash can. Magic Jungle, online ticket bookings, vending machines. Lots going on in this section. See some bicycles up above. A lot of, wow. Here's some climbing, see some rings, a little bridge in the center. So this seems to be quite the activity, some netting below. Trendy sports originating from Germany with innovative design sweeping the globe. Safety guarantee. Rescue services. After professional training, you'll become a lonely warrior to conquer the challenges, and the rescue workers will lend a hand if you need help. Pretty cool. You're not allowed if you're under the influence of drugs or alcohol. Person with symptom of acrophobia. Interesting. Lots of art on the bottom, some people playing music, flamingo, and much more. Really nice area here on the Bund. This is the North Bund area, and see some seating on this side. Seats that look like little clouds. The sea of stars, our journey begins. And here we have a cruise ship. This is one of the cruise terminals, and this one is inside of a big bubble. On the top, see AIDA, A-I-D-A, lifeboats, and more on the bottom. Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from Shanghai, China. Stay tuned for more content.